Hi, this is Best India Reviews. Quick, honest reviews to help you choose the right product every time. Let's begin.
In this video, we will share the best microwave containers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many microwave containers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each microwave containers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying microwave containers. First, always check the material of the container. It should be labeled microwave safe and free from harmful chemicals like BPA. Second, consider the durability and heat resistance. Containers that warp or crack easily can be unsafe. Third, look for tight-fitting lids to prevent spills and keep food fresh. But make sure they have vents or can be loosened to release steam safely. Fourth, think about size and shape, as stackable or space-saving designs make storage easier. Finally, choose containers that are easy to clean and dishwasher safe for convenience. Paying attention to these details ensures safety, durability, and better food storage performance every day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tips.